Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, we into the quote-unquote meat of the Thanksgiving now. This is what y'all, a lot of y'all probably been waiting for. I've been prepping y'all for this. I got my turkey brine going. You got the giblet gravy done. You got the dressing done, everything. The last thing on the menu, you gotta get that roast turkey. There's nothing more awesome than to place a nice, juicy, golden brown turkey in the middle of the table and be proud of it and just hear the applause from your family, friends, relatives, or whoever you have over Thanksgiving. And I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that. So anyway, let's get started here, y'all. You remember in the previous video, I hope y'all watched it. A lot of y'all didn't watch it because I'm looking at the views on the thing. I brine my turkey. I brine it for 24 hours. And what I'm going to do, move y'all over here where y'all kind of see what I'm doing here. Kind of see what I'm about to do here. I'm going to take this turkey out of here, out of this brine. Turn it upside down, get all the liquid out of there. Put it in the sink, and I'm going to rinse this off. Rinse all these herbs off of here. And I'm going to discharge the brine. I don't want the brine anymore. You do not use the brine. You just discharge it. What I want to do, get all the herbs off of here that was on there. As much. And if you have a few in there, it's not gonna really matter. I want it to be nice and pretty here. Get that rosemary off of there. Get that out of there. Peppercorns off of there. Pretty bird here. Okay. Back of it off of there. Alrighty. Okay. Got it all washed and good there. Now, what I want to do here now, I want to pat this as dry as possible, so I'm going to get a clean paper towel. And I want to pat this dry. Plate here. Because the reason I want to pat it dry, y'all, is the butter. I want the butter to stick to this. I want to pat it as dry as I possibly can. That. Move y'all over. Can y'all see what I'm doing? No, I guess you can't. Move y'all over here. Pat as dry as I can, y'all. I'm gonna get my pan here, and it's gonna go in. I'm gonna set it upside down. First, get it all dry. Cause we're gonna do the butter on there. We're gonna do the butter bottom side down first, because and then I'm going to turn it over and do the top. So what I'm going to do, let me get my gloves on here. I'm going to put me some gloves on to do this process. This turkey is going to be nice and juicy, y'all. I know it is. Did it so many times before. But make sure you discard the brine. You do not use the brine as the turkey come out of. I think people were thinking I make gravy out of the brine. They was thinking, oh, the turkey going to taste orange. No, it's not. It's not at all. If you ever brine a turkey, use some kind of acidity. You can use vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar. I've seen some people use that. Lemon juice. And then there's salt on there. And that's what's going to make it juicy. You do not use a brine at all. Okay. Let me get my gloves on. Now, I'm going to take my herb butter here. Got right here. And I'm going to spread it on here as much as I can as possible. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to put it in the microwave. You know this is room temperature. You know it's cold right now, and not cold, but it's not hot right now. I'm going to put it in the microwave. Get a little bit softer. It ain't like it's hot in my kitchen like in the summertime. I'm going to make sure this spray is really good on here, y'all. It's over. Get a little, oh yeah, this is better. That's what you want here. Where to kind of spread a little bit evenly. Put it in the microwave, let it spread or get a little softer. Okay, I'm gonna rub all that on there. Rub all into them crevices, y'all. See that? That's why you want it dry, where that butter will slide on there good. Get all in the crevices everywhere. All up under the arms and everything. Okay, now, we're gonna flip it over. Stay on there nicely. All right, now, we're gonna do the top of it. There we go. Get all on there. You get some in the crevices of the body there. The key is, put that back in there like it matters, because I'm going to definitely know when it's ready without that on it. Yes, what you want, y'all. Put all that butter in there. That's what's going to make it moist, and that's what's you're going to baste it with later. Oh yeah. You get all that in there. You put it, like I say, in the crevices of the turkey. Now I'm going to do one more thing here to it. Get my gloves off here. Now, I'm going to hit it with kosher some salt and pepper again. This turkey is going to be, you can put a little in the crevices, all on the turkey just like that. And I should have put some on the back, but it really ain't going to matter because remember and this looks like a lot of salt, y'all, and pepper, but it's not. This turkey is going to be very well seasoned. Because it takes a lot. Have you ever eaten turkey? It takes a lot of seasoning to make a turkey taste good. Turkey is very, 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 very bland without a lot of seasoning. Okay. Let me wipe this butter off my pan here. And if you got a pan with a rag, it helps a lot because I'm going to put just a little liquid in here, not much. Just a little liquid in here to make sure it's moist. And that liquid is going to mix with the butter, and that's what we're going to baste it with after about an hour. It's going to take about 3 hours to cook this at 350 degrees. Now, look, another thing, every oven's different. If you, after 2.5 hours, your turkey's starting to get a little bit too dark, put a little aluminum foil over the breast. I usually don't have to do that, but I have had to do that a couple of times. So kind of watch it after 2.5 hours. If it look like it's trying to get too dark on you and it ain't ready yet, put a little aluminum foil on top of it so you can preserve that golden brown look to it. So anyway, 350 degrees, y'all, for 3 hours in the oven. And this turkey here, this size now, look, if it's a bigger turkey, if it's a 20-pound turkey, you're gonna go an extra 30 minutes on that. So anyway, I'm gonna be back halfway in the cooking process to show you how it's doing and how it's basting. The way I do it, as them liquids come out, I'll take this and pour the butter into a bowl and I'll brush it on top of that, and I'll show you how I do it as I baste my turkey. And sometimes I'll just take the brush and just dip it in there and brush it like that. So it depends on how much liquid's in the bottom of the pan. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back in about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, this is halfway. This is 2.5 hours, not 2.5 hours, hour and a half through the cooking process, y'all. And what I'm going to do, I took some of the juices out of there, and all I do, y'all, is just kind of baste it on there like that. Put the juices that was in the bottom of the pan, I poured in here. Just going to kind of baste it. That's all you want to do. This is all that water, the liquid, and the garlic butter. And I just kind of, just baste it just like this. It's an hour and a half in, y'all. I like to do that hour and a half in and just pour the rest in the crevices down in there. See how the herbs is on there from that herb butter? It's a beautiful bird, y'all. Nice and juicy. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the oven another hour and a half. And when I come back, this beautiful turkey will be ready to eat. So we'll be right back in an hour and a half. Alright, y'all, we are back. The turkey just took out of the oven. Look at that. Look at that golden goodness, y'all. That's what you want right here. Nice and juicy, perfectly cooked. That's what you want right there. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off here and I'm gonna get me a plate, a platter, and I'm gonna place this on the platter, y'all. And we're gonna come back and I'm gonna slice me a little bit of this up. I'm not a big turkey fan. I'm gonna just show y'all how juicy it is. And how decadent this thing is and the advantage of brining the turkey. And you put this, I'm telling y'all, you put this on your family Thanksgiving table, your friends, your relatives, your co-workers, everything will be amazingly impressed. And you did it all with a little brining and a little herb butter and 3 hours, a little patience of 3 hours in the oven. And this is what you get, this beautiful golden goodness. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back here in a second. I'm going to take this out, put it on the platter. We're going to slice it up here and show you, and taste this golden goodness. I'm going to show you how juicy it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, now, we're going to slice a little of this off here, and I'm going to show you how juicy this thing is, y'all. Get a little of the breast here. Look at this. Show y'all. See how juicy that is, y'all? Let me cut a little of this breast off and just show you up top here. Here's how juicy this turkey is. Let me show you. Look at that. See that juicy turkey breast? Look at that. Look at that, how juicy. Full flavor. Look at a close up. I'm gonna say it. These juices in there. Look at that leg. A piece of that leg. Dark meat. Definitely good. Look at that, how juicy that leg is, leg meat. Oh, I like the skin of it. I love the skin on the turkey. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect piece of turkey. Perfect piece of turkey, y'all. So juicy, so flavorful. Okay, juice come off that turkey, that butter, herb butter. I'm telling y'all, can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with this turkey. I'm telling y'all. I promise y'all. I like the wing, y'all. Y'all already know I like that wing. Hit the little cart that's right there. That turkey wing. Let me show you how that wing, look at that. We just falling off that juicy. Look how juicy that is. That wing. What is that? 3 hours. 350 degrees. You brine your turkey. Put that herb butter on there. Season with salt and pepper. It is seasoned all the way through. Nice, juicy, tender turkey. Your family and friends will be talking about this turkey, I promise you. Until next summer. Look at that. Juicy turkey meat. You know how long it takes to cook turkey. Wings. Love the chicken. I love the skin of the turkey so much. Oh my God. Getting choked up. How about it? One more bite. We'll close this video. All right. Alright, something to drink here. Alright, y'all. If you like this video, like my mama say, turkey went down the wrong windpipe. I'm getting choked up. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. So next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy Thanksgiving, and I love y'all, and I'll talk to you soon. Love y'all. Bye.